Students, today we are going to solve exercise 1C class 8 advancements question number 6. Arrange ascending order. There are two questions A and B and all the questions are given in the binary format. We have to convert into the ascending order of this format. I will do only A, and similar way after watching the video you will solve number B. So let's have a look how to solve this one. Student, in the question it is mentioned arrange ascending order, which means smaller to bigger. So let's have a look. First I will write here solution. First of all I will write here solution. Then first one 11101. So I will write here 11101 and I have to convert this binary value into the decimal. How to convert? Look, 1 into, as I said, these all values are given in binary, so I will use the binary base 2. Now after 1, how many are the digit? 1 2 3 4. Right here 4. Then 1 into 1, then how many are the digit? 3 digit? 2 cube. Then again 1 into 2 square. Then 0 into 2 to the power 1, and the last one is 1 into 2 to the power 0. Now look, 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4, and there is 0, and 2 to the power 0 is 1, which means there is 1. Now 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 8 28 plus 1 29. 29 is the answer, which means 29 equal to 11101. This is the binary conversion of 29. I repeat again, 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1 means 29, and 29 is the binary conversion of 11101. Now next one is 101011. This is the question. Look, 101011. Now again we have to convert the same way into the binary to decimal. First of all I will write 1 here, first digit. Then since these all are in binary, so we'll put the value here 2. Binary base is 2. Then 1 2 3 4 5. Then 0 into 2 to the power 4 means 0. Then 1 2 3 4. 1 into 2 cube, which means 1. Then 3 digit. Look here, once I have written here 5, then 4, then 3, next should be 1. So right here 0, and 2 to the power 3, then 2 means 0, then 2 digit. Then 1 into 2 to the power 1, then 1 into 2 to the power 0. Look, 1, then 1 2 3 4 5, written 5 here, then 0, 4 digits, written 4, then 1 again, remaining 3, written 3 here, then 0, remaining 2, then 1 to the power 1, and again 1 to the power 0. Now 2 to the power 5 is 32, and this is 0. 2 cube is 8, again 0, there is 2, the last one is 1. Now look here, 32 plus 8 means 40. 40 plus 2, 42 plus 1, 43. This is 43. 43 is the binary conversion of 101011. Now to the next part and last part is 110011. 110011. Now look, after that what will happen? Look here, 1 into 1 2 3 4 5 means 2 to the power 5 plus 1 into 1, then 1 2 3 4, 2 to the power 4, then 0 into 2 cube, then 0 into 2 square, 0, then remaining part is 3 digit, that's why 3 here, then again 0, remaining part is 2, then 2, 1 into 2 to the power 1, then 1 into 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 5 is 32, then 2 to the power 4 is 16, then 0, then 0, then 2, then 1. Now look here, 32 and 16, 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 1 4, 32 and 16 48, then 2, then 1, 48 plus 2 50 plus 1 51, which means 110011 is the binary conversion of 51. Now look, we have to convert these binary digit into the ascending order. That's why we have converted binary to decimal first. Here also same, binary to decimal, and here also same, binary to decimal. Now among these three decimal numbers, if we want to arrange into the ascending order, which means smaller to bigger, so we may write here that after that arrangement is therefore 29 less than 43 less than 51. Now 29 has come from 11101, so in place of 29 I will write here or 11101 less than 43 has come from 101011, and 51 has come from 110011. This is the actual order of question number 6 question number 6a. Now students, depending on this video, you have to convert b. I'm not going to solve b here, you will solve the b, and I have just done a. Just the same way, similar way, you will solve 6b. Students, now we're going to solve 1C class 8 advanced maths question number 7 Roman 1 and 2 expressed in decimal fraction. This is the question given here, and these all values are given in binary. That's why there is in the base it is written 2 here. Same question also here, digits are different, base is 2 means binary. Now we have to convert this binary decimal fraction into the decimal fraction. Now how to solve this one? First of all, I will write here solution, then I will write this question here 10 decimal point, then 1011 base 2. Now similar way which I did in the last question, we are going to solve this binary into decimal, which means we will convert this value into the decimal. How to convert this one? Look, since all these values are binary and base is 2, so 1 into, look, after 1 how many are the digit? Only one digit. Don't think about the decimal portion now, there is something different I will use here. Then 1, then how many are the digit? 0, which means 2 to the power 1, which means after 1 only one digit. That's why I have written here 1. In this question 1, then I will write 1 2 3, 3 is there, then 2 cube, then 0 into 1 2 is remaining, means 2 to the power 4. Now 1 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0, this portion is only for 1 and 0. Now just after that decimal point, then 1 0 1 1. Now if there is decimal point, then 1 into 2 to the power minus 1. Since there is decimal point, then first digit, then second, which means for the second case there is 0, then 2 to the power minus 2. Then for the third case means 1 2 to the power minus 3. Then for the fourth case, then 2 to the power minus 4. Like this. I repeat again, 1 0 1 1 means 1, then decimal point, then 1. That's why I have written 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 because base is 2. Then 0, which means 1 2 in the second position. That's why 0 into 2 to the power minus 2. Then 1 is in the third position, 1 into 2 to the power minus 3. Then 1 into the fourth position, then 1.2 to the power minus 4. But this happens only after the decimal, and here 1 into only one digit remains. That's why 2 to the power 1, 0 into 2 to the power 0. Now look here, this is 2 and this is 0. Now after that 2 to the power half means 1 by 2. Then next one 0 into, now Just after that 0 into there is 2 to the power minus 2, which means 1 by 4, and 1 by 4 there should be 0 by 4. Then 1 by means there is a 2 cube, means 2 to the power minus 3 means 1 by 2 cube is 8 actually, then 1 by 8, and 2 to the power 4 means 1 by 16. Now student, look, just after that, if I want to go for the LCM here, so this is 0, this portion is 0, so will be removed. I repeat again, this is 0 and this portion 0 by 4 means 0 will be removed. Remaining part 2 plus 1 by 2, then 1 by 8, then 1 by 16. Now after that LCM would be 16 only. Now look, 16, 8, 2, and that is 1, and all are the multiple of 2, so bigger number is 16, so we'll have taken here 16. Now 16 and 2, how much? 32. Then 16 divided by 2 means 8, 8 1 ja 8. Now 16 divided by 8, 2 1 ja 2, and there is 1. So 32 plus 8, 40, 40 plus 2, 42 plus 1, 43. I repeat again, 32 plus 8, 40, then 2 42, then 143 by 16. Now if I want to go for the decimal here, so what will happen? This is the only one way, or other way is that 2 plus 1 by 2 means 0 0.5, and 1 by 8 means 0 0.125, 1 by 16 means 0 0.0625. So if we put all decimal figure here, then add, we'll get the answer. This is one way, and or you can take the LCM like this is another way. Both are correct. Now student, 43, look here, 43 divided by 16, 16 and that is 43, 16 2 ja 32 and 16 3 ja 48. Now look, 16 2 ja 32 and 16 3 is 48, so 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 3 1, 11. 11 cannot be divisible here by 16, so we'll put a decimal point, then there will be 0. Then 16 into 6, how much? 96. Then 10 minus 6, 4, decimal point carry 1, sorry 0 carry 1, 10 minus 6 4, there is 0 carry 1, 10 minus 9 1, 14. Now there is 14, decimal point 0, so 16 into 8 is 128. Then decimal 2, there is 3, 3 minus 2 1, decimal point 0, 120. Then 16 into 7 1 1 2, then 8 decimal point 0, then 5 is 80. So here students, 16 divided by 40 is 43 divided by 16 is 2.6875. This is the answer. This is the rough portion only. I'm just trying to show you the decimal part, that's why only the rough portion here. Like this you have to convert express in decimal expression of the binary into the decimal. So Roman 2, similar way you will solve this one. Here only 1 and 0, there is 1 0 1 1. Here I have written 1 into 2 to the power 1, because after 1 there is only 1 digit, but here 1 then 3 digits, so 1 into 2 cube plus 0 into 2 square, then 1 into 2 to the power 1, then 1 into 2 to the power 0, and these portions like this we have done here. Similar way you have to solve this one, Roman 2.